Next one is ontology. Ontology basically means the nature of being, the nature of the existence, whatever the existence of this universe would be the bigger question. Existence about of human being, and the nature of the universe, and how what kind of personality does the bigger being, the almighty being, entails, and how can that influence the whole world. And ontology, the branch of philosophy concerned with the assumption that we make in order to believe that something makes sense or real, that the very nature of the essence of social phenomenon we are investigating. So we see the nature of being, the nature of the problem under investigation, the philosophical study of the nature of existence, of reality, of being, of becoming, as well as the basis category of the things that exist and their relationship. So it examines the underlying principles, the underlying belief system that the researcher, and the nature of being, and the nature of his or her existence, and the nature of existence of that particular phenomenon that you entail or that you intend to investigate. It helps you to conceptualize the form and the nature of reality, and your belief system that you believe can be known from that reality. Epistemological or ontological philosophical assumptions about the nature of reality are crucial to understanding how you make meaning from the data. Because of the basic belief system about the nature of the thing, about the nature of reality, about the nature of truth, about the nature of being, you would be able to approach that from that standpoint, from that perspective, and that perspective would allow you to entail, would allow you to investigate, and would allow you to comprehend, and later on apply that thought process into some kind of direction. So these assumptions, concepts, and propositions, and the helps to help to orientate your thinking and the research problem, its significance, and how might that be able to contribute. So ontological questions are essential to a paradigm because they help in understanding of the things that contribute the world, and the basic questions that would be asked, and it would allow you to look at from there, is there any reality out there in the social world? Is it constructed? It is construction or created by one's own mind, or it is illusion, or we are the ones that create that kind of reality? What is the nature of reality? In other words, in reality, objective in nature, or results of an individual's cognition, results of an individual's understanding? What is the nature of situation that we study? So it enables us to examine the underlying principle, underlying belief system, and from their belief system, philosophical assumption about the researcher and its nature can be understood. So ontology talks about what? It talks about your very nature, the nature of knowledge, the nature of human being, the nature of researcher, and the nature of bigger being, the nature of almighty, the nature of this universe, the nature of truth, the nature of reality, and the nature of consciousness. So it talks about the nature or being or the essence of whatever you intend to investigate. Next one is methodological paradigm. Methodology, as you know, is a broader term, and our the whole subject, that how it can be practically applied upon things. So it is a kind of research design that has methods, approaches, procedures, investigations, theories, models, techniques. So all these things, data gathering, participants, instruments used, and that data analysis or textual analysis. So they are the part of your broader field. Methodology articulates logic and the flow of the systematic process that is followed in constructing a research project or to gain knowledge about that research problem. So it includes assumptions made, limitations, whatever you encounter, and how they are mitigated or nominated, and it you could see that it is the whole practical procedure of application where you apply something in order to get, in order to understand, and in order to find out the real solution of the problem that you intend to investigate, and that problem could easily be investigated from that.